My dog is a Maltese. It has white fur and a cute face. I named her Minnie. I was 6 years old when I got Minnie. Minnie was only 1 year old when she had me. She is very shy and doesn't like to be in a crowd. My father bought me a dog because I was alone at home and there was no one to play with me. Every day when I come home after school, Minnie will run to me. I feel very happy. I taught her tricks and gave her dog treats. Minnie and I are very happy together. Minnie enjoys playing with me and I enjoy playing with her. On Minnie's birthday, I bought her a dog toy and Minnie liked it very much. Minnie has been my best friend ever since I got her. We even watch television together and sometimes sleep together. I will never forget Minnie. I hope to have her forever.